In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to generate a crossover. To start with, we go to the front panel app, and if you're not in setup mode, get into setup mode, and we can see the web app for the calibration. We go to the second tab, which is the Create a Speaker tab, and we're not at the top icon because the top icon is for chirping. The bottom icon is for finding previously captured and output driver calibration filters. So here are some that we've had done previously. I'm going to select this item. What I'm looking at here are the independent calibrations of each of the three-way drivers. And I want to generate a crossover for this set of signals. And what I want to do is I want to go down to the crossover setup tab and expand it down here. And now I can see this slider for the transition frequencies, and numerically I can see where they're located. 100 is the white dot and the yellow dot is 200. I want to set my transition point or frequency up to around 2 kilohertz. And for the lower frequency one, I want to set my transition point to 200 hertz, which I've done now. I can see here that those have moved to 202 kilohertz. I'm going to set one transition at 48 dB per octave and the other one at, actually I'll set that to 96 dB per octave and the other one at 48 dB per octave. And I'm going to give this a name. Call it three-way 200, 2K, 96, kind of 48 dB per octave. Okay, and I'm going to click process. Now those parameters are sent to the cloud, and the cloud's currently computing the crossover for us. And we've now received that crossover, and we can scroll through here to find that. And there it is, three-way 200, 2 kilohertz, 96, 48 dB. Okay, when I click this, it's going to apply that crossover to our drivers, so we can see roughly what it's going to look like. Now, these aren't the resulting calibration filters for the speaker. These are just the crossover applied to independent calibration filters for each driver. And I can get some idea of what it looks like. And that crossover has been applied, and I can see there's a sharper slope in at the transition point for the lower transition frequency, and for the higher transition frequency, a higher slope.